Introduction to cryptocurrency. In today's digital age, cryptocurrency is reshaping the world of finance. But what exactly is cryptocurrency? Well, in the simplest of terms, it's a digital or virtual form of currency that employs cryptography for security, making it extremely difficult to counterfeit or double spend. It's a bit like digital gold, but with some intriguing differences. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others operate independently. They use a technology called blockchain. Imagine blockchain as a digital ledger, one that's not stored in a single place, but rather decentralized and spread across many computers. These computers manage and record transactions, ensuring transparency and security in the process. So, instead of relying on banks or governments, cryptocurrencies depend on this network of computers, making them immune to government interference or manipulation. One of the most well-known cryptocurrencies is Bitcoin, which we'll use as an example to delve deeper into how cryptocurrency works. How cryptocurrency works. Now, how does a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin work? At its heart, cryptocurrency is powered by a technology known as blockchain. Picture a blockchain as a public, digital ledger. This isn't your grandma's notebook ledger, but a modern, high-tech version where all confirmed transactions from the inception of a cryptocurrency are stored. It's like a vast, transparent library of financial activity, accessible by anyone, anytime. Now, you may be wondering, how do transactions get added to this blockchain? Well, that's where a process known as mining comes into play. Think of miners as the librarians of this vast digital library. Their job is to validate new transactions and record them on the blockchain. But unlike a librarian stamping the return date in your borrowed book, mining is a complex computational process. Here's a simplified version of how it works. When a transaction is made, it's grouped with others into a block. Miners, using powerful computers, then solve complex mathematical puzzles. The first miner to solve the puzzle gets to add the new block of transactions to the blockchain. This process confirms and validates the transactions. As a reward, the successful miner receives a few newly minted coins of the cryptocurrency, hence the term mining. But it's not as easy as it sounds. The difficulty of these puzzles ensures that they can't be solved too quickly, maintaining the integrity and security of the blockchain. This means that mining demands significant computational power and energy, making it a competitive and resource-intensive process. It's also important to note that once a transaction is added to the blockchain, it is permanent and cannot be altered. This immutability is one of the key features of blockchain technology, providing a transparent and tamper-proof record of all transactions. And this is the basic principle of how cryptocurrencies operate. But why is it becoming so popular and important? Importance of cryptocurrency. Why is cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, gaining such traction in today's world? Well, let's delve into that. Cryptocurrencies offer a multitude of advantages, chief among them being their decentralized nature. This means they operate outside the purview of traditional banking systems and government interference, granting users an unprecedented level of financial autonomy. Another significant advantage is the security offered by blockchain technology. Each transaction is recorded in a secure, unalterable manner, making it nearly impossible for hackers to manipulate. Furthermore, this technology endows users with anonymity, a highly prized commodity in our increasingly digital world. But perhaps the most tantalizing aspect of cryptocurrencies is their potential for high returns on investment. This volatility, while risky, has attracted investors worldwide, lured by the prospect of rapidly growing their wealth. Cryptocurrency is certainly transforming the financial landscape, and its potential is only just beginning to be realized. Now, isn't that something you want to be a part of? Encouragement and conclusion. As we navigate this new financial frontier, it's crucial to stay informed and educated. The world of cryptocurrency, like a vast ocean, is filled with endless possibilities waiting to be discovered. There are countless resources available to aid you in this journey. Online courses, books, webinars, and forums are just a few clicks away. There are renowned platforms like Coursera and Udemy offering comprehensive courses on cryptocurrency. Books such as Mastering Bitcoin by Andreas Antonopoulos and The Age of Cryptocurrency by Paul Vigna are excellent for diving deeper into this subject. Forums like Bitcoin Talk and Reddit are bustling with discussions, insights, and expert advice. Cryptocurrency isn't just about investing or trading. It's about understanding a technology that could potentially redefine our financial systems. The impact of blockchain and cryptocurrencies on our society could be as significant as the internet itself. Remember, knowledge is power. So, keep exploring, keep learning, and who knows? You might just find yourself on the forefront of this digital revolution.